window. That?
He can't move that window. That window's not open. You know, kitty cats can't understand what you're saying. They only talk in meows. You have to meow to him.
Meow. 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 What?
You are silly.
Yeah, you should call Mom.
Call Mom?